Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app tips and tricks. In today's video, I will show you on how to stay in update with factory discounted product price and the latest product about any factory on 1688 right on your dashboard or on your 1688 account without any stress. This will aid you from getting discounted product news from any factory follow on 1688 Chinese shop that you need to take serious, most especially if you source and ship products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, just like what you see right here. And after you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to navigate to factories. So right here, you have access to so many factory right here. Now, let's say for instance, this particular factory right here, I'm interested to make some purchase from their store, but as at the time of checking out the factory, I'm not ready to make a purchase, and I still want to have more information about the factory feature update. So what you want to do is to click on the factory link. Now you are here in the factory store right here, so you can see their store. Now, for you to stay in update about what is going on about the factory, maybe they are running a discounted on any product, or they want to launch a new product, how do you take the advantage of all those things in order to get product at a very cheap price? So what you need to do is to simply, so next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on any of these store product links. So I'm going to click on the store link products right here. And next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this love icon right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on here. And you are done. Lastly, you need to go ahead and check the store on your profile on your 1688 account. So for that, go ahead and click on back. Continue to go back. Continue to go back. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to click on this icon right here. And you have the store right here added to your follower list on 1688 Chinese shopping app. And with that, you get quick information about the store. If they are running a discounted or any product, you'll be one of the first of their followers that will have access to information, discounted product price, etc. as far as these tips on 1688 Chinese shopping app is concerned. So it's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship and import product from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.